Welcome to this video. If you ever found YouTube captions too small or too large to read comfortably, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the process of changing the caption text size in the YouTube mobile app. It's quick, easy, and customizable to your needs. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, in the top right corner, tap the gear-shaped settings icon. After that, scroll down and tap on Captions. Now, turn on Captions if they're not already enabled. Once Captions are on, you'll see the text size option. Tap on Text Size. Finally, choose the size you prefer: small, medium, large, or extra large. Your selection will be saved automatically and applied to future videos with captions. And that's it. Now you can enjoy YouTube videos with captions that fit your screen and comfort. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.